Ultimately, he's the decision maker. And if he will accept some of the things we asked, which we think the American people are for, on health care and on rescissions, he can avoid a shutdown. But there are still large differences between us.
Congressional leaders convening at the White House for discussions with the president on the eve of a shutdown that could have a massive impact on Washington and across the country. One day and a bit less than 7 hours to go before the federal government is shuttered, unless, of course, something is done on Capitol Hill. This afternoon, the president hosted congressional leaders from both sides of the aisle, including Democrats, Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer and House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries.
Joining us now with the latest from Capitol Hill following President Trump's meeting with top congressional leaders is Bloomberg's Erik Wasson. Erik, it's good to see you, and thanks for being here. We just heard from the congressional leaders. They came out, spoke to reporters at the White House, and Chuck Schumer says that the president can avoid a shutdown, but, quote, differences remain. Just give us the stakes here. How likely is it that the government is going to shut down this week?
I would say it's more likely than not. Vice President Vance came out and says he thinks we're heading to a shutdown unless Democrats drop their demands. Republicans certainly feel they have the upper hand. The House has passed a no-strings-attached 7-week stopgap spending bill. It will keep the government open through November 21st. Democrats are blocking that. Democrats feel that they need to get this message out on health care. Rising costs or how they want to frame the midterm election. There's very little incentive for them to suddenly drop those demands this early in the game. I think we're going to probably see a very short government shutdown. But even a short government shutdown will affect markets because the Bureau of Labor Statistics will be completely shut down and the October 3rd Friday jobs report will be delayed. Overall, markets tend to think shutdowns will get resolved, won't have a big impact on the economy. But White House Budget Director Russ Vought has talked about mass firings of the federal government non-essential workers if there is a shutdown. So the impact of a shutdown could be greater than we've seen in the past.